In today's video, we're exploring the essential topic of data recovery with our top picks for the best recover deleted file apps for Android. Stay tuned as we break down the features of each app and guide you in choosing the right one for your needs. Dr.Fone Photo VE Data Recovery. Dr.Fone Photo VE Data Recovery is a powerful tool designed to help users recover lost or deleted photos, videos, and other data from their Android devices. This app utilizes advanced scanning technology to find and restore files that may have been accidentally erased or lost due to various reasons, such as system crashes or device resets. Dr.Fone offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate through the recovery process. With the ability to preview and selectively restore files before completing the process, this app is ideal for those who want control over what is recovered. It supports a wide range of file formats, ensuring that users can retrieve a variety of media types. Dumpster Photo VE Video Recovery. Dumpster Photo VE Video Recovery is often compared to a recycle bin for Android devices. This app provides an easy and efficient way to recover deleted photos, videos, and other file types without requiring root access. When files are deleted, they are temporarily stored in the dumpster, allowing users to restore them effortlessly. The app features an intuitive interface that lets users browse through recovered files and choose which ones to restore. Dumpster also offers additional features, such as cloud backup, to ensure that your files remain safe. This app is perfect for users who want a straightforward solution for quick file recovery without the need for complex procedures. AZ Recovery. AZ Recovery is a reliable app that focuses on recovering lost files on Android devices, specifically designed to work without root access. Users can recover deleted images, videos, and audio files with ease. The app employs a simple and straightforward approach, featuring a user-friendly interface that guides users through the recovery process. AZ Recovery scans the device for deleted files, allowing users to preview and select items for restoration. What's particularly useful is that it can also recover files from external SD cards, making it a versatile option for those who store media on both internal and external storage. This app is ideal for users looking for a hassle-free way to retrieve deleted files from their devices. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found these data recovery app recommendations helpful for restoring your deleted files on Android. See you next time on our channel.